In this video, let me solve the problem from some applications of trigonometry from the question paper, model question paper 1, which is issued by Karnataka Secondary Education Examination Board. It is a must-watch video for SSLC students since it contains solution also. Before solving the problem, let us collect the important points. If an observer sees the object in front of him, the line of sight becomes the horizontal line. If he wants to see the object above his line of sight, means horizontal line, the line joining the object and his eyes is the line of sight now. The angle between the horizontal line and the line of sight is angle of elevation. When he wants to see the object below the horizontal line, the line of sight appears below the horizontal line. The angle of depression is the angle between the horizontal line and the line of sight. 27th question from the model question paper 1 is, from a point on ground, angle of elevation of the top and bottom of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building are 60 degree and 45 degree respectively. You can see the data in the figure. They have given the figure in the question paper itself, so it will become very easy. Find the height of the transmission tower. We have to find the height of transmission tower here. It is 3 marks question. It's very easy. What are given here? Height of the building 20 meter. That is BC from the figure itself. Let the height of the tower above the building be H, that is equal to BA. Height of the tower plus building H plus 20 meter from the ground, it is CA. Then the distance between the observation point and the building be X meter. When the observer looks up to the bottom of the transmission tower, angle of elevation becomes 45 degree. When he looks up to the top of the transmission tower, angle of elevation is 60 degree. What has been given? What can we deduce from this figure? Height of the building has been given. Angle of elevation of both points are given here, to the top and bottom, 60 and 45 respectively. The distance between the observer and this thing we don't know, which is common to both triangles CDB and CAB. Let us find the distance between the observer and the building first. For that, let us retain only this triangle. What has been given here? Angle between the angle of elevation 45, height of the building and the distance between the building. This is opposite to the angle. This is adjacent angle given. Adjacent to the angle given. So what can we use here? TOA. Tan, opposite, adjacent. So in right angle triangle BCD or CBD, tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Tan 45 is equal to 20 by x. Tan 45 is 1. We already know. So x is equal to 20 meter. In the next step, we can calculate h. In right angle triangle CDA, here CD we know. We have already find out it. It is 20 meter. Here we have to find AB. How? In triangle CAD, tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. You already know. Tan 60 is equal to 20 plus h by 20. Tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 is equal to 20 plus h by 20. Rest is mathematics. You can transpose 20 to left hand side. 20 root 3 is equal to 20 plus h. So we can derive the value of h here. 20 root 3 minus 20, which is equal to 20 into root 3 minus 1 meter. So the height of the transmission tower is 20 into root 3 minus 1 meter.